This week's featured part is the PCI-4070, a high-performance 6.5-digit digital multimeter, or DMM, designed for engineers who need precise measurements in a computer-based test system. But what makes this device especially useful is that it is more than a traditional DMM. It also functions as an isolated digitizer, giving users both accurate point measurements and waveform acquisition capability in a single-slot PCI form factor. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. One of the key strengths of the PCI-4070 is its flexible resolution. Depending on the needs of the application, users can select measurement resolution from 3 digits up to 7 digits, or roughly 10 to 23 bits. This allows engineers to balance speed and precision. For high-accuracy measurements, the device can prioritize resolution. For faster test sequences, it can reduce resolution and increase reading rate. In DMM mode, reading speeds range from 5 samples per second at 7 digits up to 7,000 samples per second at 4.5 digits. This makes the PCI-4070 useful in both precision bench-style measurements and faster automated test environments. The digitizer mode adds another layer of flexibility. In this mode, the PCI-4070 can operate as an isolated waveform acquisition device, sampling up to 1.8 million samples per second with 10-bit resolution. This is helpful when engineers need to observe how a signal changes over time instead of only capturing a single measurement value. The PCI-4070 supports a wide range of common electrical measurements. It can measure both DC and AC voltage up to 300 volts, with DC ranges starting as low as 100 millivolts and AC bandwidth extending from 1 Hz to 300 kHz. It also supports DC and AC current measurements, making it useful for monitoring device behavior across different operating conditions. For resistance, the PCI-4070 supports both 2-wire and 4-wire measurements across ranges from 100 ohms to 100 mega ohms. The 4-wire option is especially useful when measuring low resistance values because it helps reduce the effect of lead wire resistance. Triggering is another important feature for automated systems. The PCI-4070 uses LVTTL and TTL-compatible triggers with low latency, allowing measurements to be synchronized quickly with external events or other instruments. In DMM operations, trigger latency is around 2 microseconds, while digitizer acquisitions can respond in approximately 1.8 microseconds. Here are some common questions about the PCI-4070. What is the power consumption of the PCI-4070? The power consumption of the PCI-4070 is less than 12 watts from a PCI slot. What is the maximum trigger rate of the PCI-4070? The maximum trigger rate of the PCI-4070 is 6 kHz. How often should the PCI-4070 be calibrated? The PCI-4070 should be calibrated every 2 years. This concludes our overview of PCI-4070. Need more information on the PCI-4070 or any other National Instruments products? Feel free to drop a comment below or contact us directly at sales@apexwaves.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.